So this be how we send our one go to the top. So we pass on like three before we reach the top now. The one person go hold on there, the one person to the up there. But the up person there for supporter, but because of the show you the video now, that's why I have to come there. So now we almost send all to the up. Okay, rushing me. You better rule. Coco. Boss, if you know where they bring her, man. So I called her know what to. So if you now go can check and see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, this one they reach.
Yeah, that one be
15. Where this one be 2. Where the hook no. This be the dropout now. This be the dropout now. This be the dropout now.
And the other one be the cylinder.
So this be the cylinder now. This be the cylinder now. And then this be the hangers. The hangers be this one. So this is the regatta. This has already fish. The machine that we use to cut it. This is our generator too. So I bought the fuel to come. I pour inside already. So this is the cable that we are using to connect it to go up. So this is the slit now. So throughout the day, that's what we have done for today. But we haven't closed yet. We are here. You see the quantity now. Yeah. So now we send our camp up already. Now he left another one to go sand do again. So now from here we are going to the top. Send it one again to the top. So it's not a small contract. Yeah, it's not small job ground. It's not small job ground. But we have to do it. So this be what's happened for today now. It's not easy. So this be the inside, you know. Baka. Mama gonna connect together pipe malo. Eu escrevi o slope gara de kama. So this be what's gone for today. So by God grace tomorrow we'll continue on the rest.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you you'll get. But